Alright, so another quick tip for you. Basically, if anybody is making the transition into, say, Linux, which I'm in Manjaro Linux right now. I started out with Linux Mint. Basically, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to install a few things just to get your renderings to go pretty well. So in this case, when we need to sit up here and have CUDA libraries to do stuff like this, of course you're going to need your proprietary drivers. Proprietary drivers are usually installed nowadays by default or sometime during the installation process. In Manjaro Linux it is because of the Manjaro hardware detection script. So you don't really have to worry about it too much on that part, but there is something else that is really going to help you out, especially when you get into something like oh, let's see here. I'm going to probably do it this way really quick. Well, that just worked out pretty well. When you go into, say, let's see what it is. I think it's in that one. Especially when you go into something that uses LuxRender, or you're using an OpenCL type of thing, and I'll just put that on there right there. And we'll get a preview. If you try to do this in Mint right away without getting all your dependencies and stuff, you probably won't get it. If you are a little bit more skilled in Linux, I would go with Manjaro. I wouldn't really start in Manjaro right away, but I would probably go with I don't know, if you're a little bit more technically advanced in areas and you have no problems in going into something that might take a little bit of extra time, go into this. But what I'm going to show you here really quick is that there are a couple things that you want to make sure that you have. AMD users, you don't have to really worry about a lot of this. I don't think right away. I think somehow the OpenCL stuff may come with it, but I'm not sure. I'm just talking to like the nVidia users, and I have an old nVidia card. Right now, my Ryzen actually renders faster than my nVidia card, but we're going to go here in the software, and I'm going to show you the things that I want you to like watch out for. So if you're going to need stuff, basically the CUDA stuff is not installed on here because this is the development pack. So it's going to come with your especially for nVidia, it's going to come with your drivers. Okay, so it's going to come with your proprietary drivers. That's all there is to it. And basically what's really cool about this though is that it will also pull down your OpenCL requirements too in Manjaro. It didn't do that for me in Mint, so I installed this as well as the this one here. So I had to pull that down too. Just to make sure that I had a generic package to run OpenCL stuff. So if you're going to run LuxCore, you're going to run stuff with OpenCL, make sure that you have those drivers in there. You will be able to find those able to be downloaded from basically any repository. This one just happens to be installed automatically right away, right out of the gate in Manjaro. But for anything else, you're going to want to watch out for these libraries. Make sure that they're added in and you shouldn't have any problems. All right, thank you.